We have need the ingredients. For example, black pepper, jubble cream is another name is fresh cream, and this Theo sauce is a very delicious sauce, and this is a mayonnaise, and this is a chili garlic paste, and main ingredients is onion and chicken. So let's make a dish. I am putting in all in a pan. After that, I am put in onion. So guys, you make sure the onion are still slightly brown. Don't over brown. Okay. So now then we have to put it in a chili and garlic paste. Still, you have to continue. After that, I had a put in a chicken in a pan. So guys, my chicken already is half fried. So I have to add it some pesto sauce. So I have added in 1 tablespoon, and other one is 2. 2 tablespoons I have to add it. Okay. After that, I am added some black peppers. Is according to your taste. So I just added in 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1.5 tablespoon, and then I have to add it 1 tablespoon of salt. So you have to mix it. Okay, now we just added some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise added in your according to your taste. So I have added 2 tablespoons. Now mix it everything. And last, I have added fresh cream. Now, no, right now, but in last ingredient, I will add it. Now see, it's a very beautiful greenish color. Is very beautiful in a stunning structures and shape. So it's very beautiful. Now you can really I recommend that you have to try this recipe, because it's very easy and ready to cook. It's a restaurant recipe I have to make. So you have tried this. So guys, I added in a pan. So is a optional. You have to decide it you or not include it or not, because I like this corn. So I add it in a pan. Did you see what the color? Very amazing, and almost is processing to done. It's very nice, very nice. I like it. So guys, did you see all is floating in a pan? So last I have to add it in a cream, fresh cream, according to your taste. Okay. So now we will mix up. is too yummy. Its fragrance is just aroma is very good. I like it. So last I have added some pasta. So guys, did you see my pasta recipe is done? Is looking so delicious. Did you see? It's too yummy. You should try this recipe, and you should try two recipes and share my page. And if you like the recipes, you share my pages and follow my page. Thank you guys. I hope you like it.